today I have a new recipe to show you guys. Yes, we have small fish, spiny fruit, chili, and also holy basil. So we will smash all of this together and then we burn it. So if you want to know how many ingredients of it, so please watch my video from the start until the end. So now let me start, everyone. First we do like this on spiny fruit. Wow, our small fish is so good. So now we start to make ingredient. Everyone, be careful to watch it. I'm going to show you step by step about the ingredient of it. We add spicy fruit on it. The spicy fruit, its taste is like sour. So we add like this on it. Then we add soup salt. This is soup salt. We add it like this. We add sugar on it. We add chili on it. Wow! Even though it's not already cooked, but it is look like so yummy. For the last, we add holy basil on it. Add all ingredients. This food is just little ingredient, but we wait for our taste of it. Then we mash it like this. Mash it to be well. Then we do like this on it. For burn it on the fire. Fish on the fire like this. it's already cooked. We can eat. Wow. It looks like so yummy. Eat with me, everyone. Wow. Eat with me, everyone. I cannot wait. So, let me test and tell you guys about it taste too. It tastes so good. It's really yummy. It's really yummy. Eat with me. It's really spicy because of chili. So now I'm enough on my eating, and I think it is time to say goodbye. But altogether, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about me, my personality, especially a yummy food like this to show you guys for other video and for the next video. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.